Okay, we're back to the course of scratch. I don't know, 06. Yes, that's right. So, we're gonna, do you know what we're gonna do today? We're gonna make Star Crash. But not the same, because we're gonna make it like this. The score changes, and when you touch the star, the score changes too. And this time we're gonna make an obstacle for our game. 4 and last 5. You win, and instead you win and nothing happened. And what if we hit the red one? If I hit the red one, it will game over and the score will go away. The score will go away. See, guys? Okay, and now this is episode 5, so I need to, and what I need to do is save as a copy. It's copying project, and project save as a copy. Scene projects, and we don't need this. We change this to 6, and here it is. Episode 6 with I know, with score. Nope, score. Here is score. No, we don't need this. We'll call it with score. Episode 6. And now we'll see inside. When we see inside, all we need to do is make a score first. So at the star, we'll go to stars. Here it is. It had nothing inside, just a little bit. So all we need to do is go to wearables, and we need to make a wearable. Call it score. And we're okay, and we have the score. Score, if we press it out, it don't have the score. If I press it in, it will have. Okay, okay, now back to the place. And now we will show our score. And we will set score to 0. And we got if on edge bounce. Actually, we need it because actually you don't have it. So we go to motion and we just if on edge and then put it here. That's it. But do you know why I get it off that time? Because you don't have it. I want you to understand. If it's a thing that wait until if something going on, like if touching, like that. I'm gonna let it. Not touching. It should be operators and equal. And go to variables and score. If it's 5, then we will broadcast. We will broadcast message 1, and then we will stop this script. Stop the script is mean stop the script that we are doing it over here. At the first time it uses, and when it stops the script, the forever don't work anymore. Now we go to Beatles, and we will go to events, and then when I receive message 1. Okay, guys? When I receive message 1, then we will say yeah. When maybe this would be better. I mean, this could be better. The cool. And then we will stop all. Stop all means stop all the scripts. Even inside the video. If stop the script only inside the video. And now all we have to do is now we are done with this. Let's try the score. I need to catch it. The stars. For 5 times. And let's see if it said you win. Wait a minute. I wouldn't click again. And I should go to stars. Wait a minute. The stars. All we need to do is the video doesn't changing. It doesn't changes the no. All we need to do is we need to let okay. We will need to let it change score. You forgot that. We need to change score 1 over here. We forgot that. And let's see if it works. Here it is. It worked. It's 1 in. And now it's 1. Go more. Score 3-8. More. One, 2, 3. And it said you win. Good job, guys. We did it. And it's 2 seconds. Even we just do a little bit, you'll learn a lot. So now we will make the obstacle. Choose a sprite. I will call the button. At the costume, we don't need the back one. You delete it. And then I want it to be here and I want it smaller. So for the size and then 50. 50 now smaller. And when it's smaller, all we need to do is when clicked. We will go to at only here and then we'll let it go to back layer, then we will show it, and when we show it, we will forever block. Forever is a loop, never stop. Always say that. Remember what I said if you remember, tell me in the comments. If you don't remember, also tell me in the comment that you don't remember. But let it touch you. Video. Then we will broadcast another message. We call it, I will call it lava spread. I think you can right click to find the word and okay. Broadcast lava spread. And then we'll also stop this script. And now that it'd be like this, now we could go to Beatles and we're gonna let it receive. As when I receive lava spread, when I said receive lava spread, then and then we will right click over here and then duplicate. Stop all and duplicate again. We don't need the stop all anymore. It's not doing. We should let it set blast. Game over. And we will stop all. But all we need to do is hide the score. Hide the score. Let's try, guys. We can move. I go to stars. And then now we'll try hitting the blast game over. See the leg hit the red thing and it said blast game over. And blast game over and then the scores go away. We did it, guys. And you learn how to make a game now, guys. Like a fire blasting game. Next time, I don't know what I'm gonna tell you to learn, but maybe like shooting the guns. I don't know that I can shoot the guns or not. But bye bye, guys, and see you next video. Bye.